pouring my heart on ice. Yeah, if first class make the beat for me, you know I won't think twice. Yeah, you don't even think about leaving me. You know I change your life.
Oh my God. Them titties doing magical tricks on me, sweetheart. You know how to make them move? Like, you know how the movies where they really be making one titty move at a time? You know how to do that?
Now, why the fuck does she know how to do that?
What you mean? Them just humongous. She gotta know how to do something. They just sitting there.
It's gravity. Once they come out, they gonna come down. Exactly.
They ain't come out yet though.
Gravity. I know you've been to school algebra.
They ain't come out yet though. I'm waiting for them to come out.
Why would she show you her titties? Is you gonna slap your dick across the screen? What you mean?
Duh. What else I'm gonna do?
Bro, you nasty as hell.
Yo.
Hey.
How you doing? Wait, how old are you though?
18, turning 19.
Damn, why the fuck you look 25? Nah, I'm playing. Add me though. Oh, you in the whip by yourself?
My car.
Oh, it's your car. You probably gonna go pick up. You probably gonna go pick up one of them niggas on your roster.
On my roster, all I'm worried about is making money. I don't worry about it. It's not my problem.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm on the making money time and too. Wait, if you really trying to make money, we could really start an OnlyFans. If you trying to make some bread for real, we can make an OnlyFans. You know them niggas like black on white on, bro.
Bro, they
like
feeding over that shit.
Bro, like white girl takes BBC.
Like, I don't want to make money like that though.
Oh, you trying to make money like illegally? We can do that too. We can sell drugs together.
I'm trying to make money legally. I just want to get my bread up. Because I got my own apartment, my own car.
You chatting, bro. She started chatting. I don't care. We don't care.
I put this soda up, and I drop him. Because I don't care. I don't care.
Yo, how old are you?
20.
Both of y'all 20?
I'm 19.
You 19? I want the one with the glasses, though. Yo, stop looking. I said I want you.
Me?
Yes, you. Who else got glasses?
No. I'm taking.
Why are you recommending me to your friend though? Like I said, I want you.
That's my sister.
Why are you recommending me to your sister though? You got a boyfriend or something? Okay. That's perfect, because I don't do those either. What is a relationship? Oh, bro.
I do,
Sneaky links?
No.
One night stands?
I'm waiting for that one guy I'm gonna marry.
You don't do one night stands?
Virgin.
I don't do those either. I ain't gonna lie. You feel me? I'm waiting on marriage. Huh?
Yeah.
Nah, I'm waiting until I get married. You feel me?
Yeah. You've been waiting till today.
Is you gonna suck my dick? You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to go crazy.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. Oh, wait. What you trying to say?
Wait, what the fuck?
No.
Are you flirting with me? I thought I just got done flirting with your sister. Yo, this is crazy. You blacker than darkness, yo. I ain't gonna lie, who raised you? It look like you gotta be related to Bobo. Bobo! You gotta be related to Bobo, yo. Bobo, your brother?
Get some braces, nigga. Get some Invisalign.
Braces?
You got a speech impediment trying to roast.
Braces?
Oh, bro, you're literally...
Bobo, this gotta be your brother. Hold on. Bobo, definitely your brother. Oh, bro. Y'all gotta be related. Bobo, is he not your brother? Bobo! Listen, you ever been to Miami?
Hell yeah.
You trying to come back? Actually, oh shit. I mean, we can. How you feel about traveling though? Cause we have to travel to see each other.
I always travel. I was just in Costa Rica.
Damn, you got money like that.
My mom does.
I mean, okay, but like you gotta have money to be able to come see me though, and then I'm come see
Oh,
you.
I have money. I work from home, honey.
You gonna make me act up. You gonna make me do something I'm gonna regret.
Oh, you work from home. That's perfect.
Yeah. I work for,
But nah.
for a life insurance company.
Nah, I would say let me get your Instagram, but Instagram is banned in Miami. So I gotta
For
get your so I gotta get your number.
Why?
What? Why?
I forgot what happened. Some dumb shit happened, yo. I forgot, but yeah, they banned that shit.
Wow, that's crazy.
So I gotta get
Remember
your
my
number. Yeah.
It's
I'm gonna need your number.
But I don't hand out my number.
So what I'm gonna use? I don't have Snapchat.
So you don't have no social media.
Not right now, nah, cause Twitter, my Instagram banned until I go to like Orlando or some shit.
That's weird.
Yeah, that's definitely weird. But nah, I really need your number though. Why the fuck are you smiling?
You're lying.
I'm not lying. I need your number. Like, how else are we gonna get in contact?
Find a way.
Find a way. I'm gonna email you. What?
I'll give you my email right now.
Feel with love, dog. It's about opening the fair eyes and bring them in.
Oh, we did it.
This whole ride, you gonna watch me get this shit. You gonna watch me hustle. You gonna watch me blow. You gonna help me.
Hey, babe.
Hey.
Yeah, you my little babe.
Oh my God! Wow! Wait, how old are you?
How are you?
I'm 20.
Man, I don't even mess with you. Like, you skipped me.
I ain't even see you yet. This is my first time seeing you, bro. Cause your number would have been in my phone.
You said what?
I said it's my first time seeing you, cause my number would have been in your phone.